Wow! O bueno, 5 minuto makalipas ang alas 5 ng hapon, magbabalik pa rin po ang DZME Serbisyo Radyo 1 ng DZME Radyo TV.
Fortnet Logistics Incorporated envisions a total package of delivering total service excellence to its clients here and abroad by keeping in mind total service satisfaction. Fortnet Logistics Incorporated aims to be the most renowned freight forwarding company not only in the Philippine market but the global market as well.
Our vision is to maintain a track record for thoroughness, efficiency, and on-time delivery by working in unison with colleagues and partners towards this common set of goals, which would be matched by our reputation for being innovative, strong, and consistent.
Fortnet Logistics offers direct import consolidation, direct export consolidation, non-vessel operating common carrier, break bulk agent, international air and sea freight forward, customs clearance, project cargo. Fortnet Logistics has a container freight station.
Yes, there are other logistics companies, but what makes us different is our determination to give the best service possible.
Fortnet Logistics Incorporated, delivering total service excellence for total service satisfaction. Fortnet Logistics Incorporated, an ISO certified freight forwarding company. Visit our website at www.fortnet.com.ph for our main office, our warehouse, and our Cebu and Davao branches.
Nangunguna sa balita, impormasyon, musika, komentaryo at serbisyo publiko. Ito ang DZME 1530. Una sa kanan, ang himpilang may paninindigan. Narito na ang programang tututok sa pangangailangan ng Pilipino. Aalalay sa mga hinaing at paghingi ng aksyon. Gagabay para sa mas maayos na pagtugon sa mga nangangailangan. Serbisyo Radyo 1. Serbisyo Radyo 1. Diretsahang sasagutin ng mga kinauukulan ng mga reklamo at hinaing ng taong bayan. Serbisyo Radyo 1. Sisikaping sagutin ang mga tanong sa iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno. Serbisyo Radyo 1. Mapapanood at mapapakinggan dito sa DZME 1530, ang inyong Radyo 1. At ngayon, ang inyong kakampi.
Walong minuto na po makalipas ang alas 5 ng hapon. Nagbabalik po ang inyong kaserbisyo, George Bandola. Ito pa rin po